friends, today we will do chapter number 5, Formulas and Functions in Excel. Part A, tick the correct answers. First, which of the following symbol is used for concatenation of string? Ampersand. Second, these are inbuilt formulas, functions. Third, it is the default cell reference in MS Excel. Relative. Fourth, this formula error indicates that the formula contains an invalid data. Hashtag value. Fifth, the AutoSum function is present on this tab, both Home and Formulas tab. Part B, fill in the blanks. First, a formula must begin with an equal to sign. Second, in absolute referencing, a dollar sign is used before the column letter and row number. Third, the max function is used to find the highest numeric value in a range. Fourth, in sheet reference, the sheet number along with an exclamation mark is followed by the cell address. Fifth, the int function returns the rounded number to the next lowest integer value. Part C, write T for true and F for false. First, in Excel you can perform operations such as addition, subtraction or multiplication on text value or text strings. False. Second, circular reference is a type of cell reference. False. Third, joining two or more text values is known as concatenation. True. Fourth, a function starts with an equal to sign. True. Fifth, you cannot perform average function using AutoSum feature. False. You can perform. Part D, answer the following questions. Question number 1. Define the term formula. Write the rules to write a formula in Excel. Answer. Formula refer to self-defined instructions given by the user to perform calculations. A formula always begins with an equal to sign. There must be an operation to specify the operation performed. Question number 2. Name the types of cell references. Define any one. Answer. There are 3 types of cell references: relative, absolute and mixed. Relative cell reference is the default cell reference in MS Excel. When you copy a formula to another location, the row or column references automatically change as per the current cell address. Question number 3. What do you understand by a function? Write the rules to enter a function. Answer. Functions are inbuilt formulas to perform a specific calculation. Rules to use a function are as follows. First, a function name must be valid. Example, sum, max, min, average, etc. Second, a function must begin with an equal to sign. Third, the cell references or range name must be enclosed with parentheses. Question number 4. Define the term AutoSum. Name some operations that can be performed using this feature. Answer. AutoSum feature is a very simple method used to perform basic calculations merely by clicking. This feature can be used to carry out functions such as sum, average, max, min, count and so on. Question number 5. Describe the use of function library. Answer. In the functional library group, we can see different categories of functions such as financial, logical, text, date and time, lookup and reference, math and trig, and so on. Thank you, friends.